Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Captain A38, once again with a brand new aircraft review video. Right now, you are staring at a British Airways Boeing 777-336ER in the scale 1/200 by skymarks. British Airways is one of the oldest airliners. It was started way back in the 1930s, and it would later acquire BOAC, BEA, and would become one of the largest airliners in the world. And then by 2013, British Airways acquired British Midlands. So now I'll give you a tour of the aircraft, starting first with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. The L1 door. This design right here was started by a company in England, and that was started around in the 2000s. The two Rolls-Royce RB211 turbofan engines come along the leading edges of the wings, down towards the front of the aircraft, and got a registration. If anyone could tell me what that is, I would appreciate it. The British Union Jack. Now I'm going to bring you over to the APU, to the auxiliary power unit. The auxiliary power unit, very nicely done by skymarks. Now I'm going to bring you on to the starboard side. The Union Jack right there. Come up alongside the starboard side of the aircraft. There you see one of the cargo bin doors. Looking towards the front of the aircraft. Come along the wings. Very nice. The leading edges, the flaperons. One of the Rolls-Royce RB211 turbofan engines. And come up towards the galley and the cockpit. British Airways is a member of One World, and they became one of the founding members of One World in 1999, alongside of American Airlines and Qantas. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. Please, like always, rate, share, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you around.